Hello and welcome to my Python tutorial video where I will be going over if-else statements. Before I do, please remember to click the like and subscribe and to share my videos out because more people like you may want to learn Python but don't necessarily know where to begin. And so, without further ado, I'm going to teach you the if-else statement. So what do we have to do? Let's say we need to write a Python program that will ask the user if they like pizza. They say yes, do a print statement saying I like pizza. Otherwise, say my favorite food is pizza. How do we do something like this? I know. Let's do a string variable called pizza, shall we? Input. And we're going to ask them, what is your favorite food? So, if pizza is equal to yes, and what we can do, or better way to do it, is just say fav food and fav food. So, and then we could say pizza, and we could also do a logical operator where we can have or and type in pizza or, but you need fav food to equal to. So you need to do that in a cycle. And then what you will do for favorite food is equal to p. You can't, when you're doing equal to, remember you have to have two equal to, otherwise your code's not going to work, because when I tried pressing enter it didn't work. So now we got all the equal signs and we got the syntax correct. We can go down and we can say something like I like pizza too. But if they don't, we can do an else statement. So you literally type in the word else, colon, press enter, and then we could print saying my favorite food is pizza. Let's run that, see if that's working. So I'm going to do a couple of tests. So that's test 1, all lowercase. Test 2, all uppercase. Test 3, there you go. So we've done all 3 tests for that one if statement. If I wanted to put fish, enter, it will go into the else statement. So if it's not one of these words, it's going to go straight to the else statement. So the idea is to say, okay, if the users type pizza in any of those 3 ways, it's going to output I like pizza too. If a user puts someone else like fish in there, because it's not in the options, it's going to print my favorite food is pizza. Okay? So that is the idea of how the if-else statement works. Let's try another one, shall we? So we need to write a program that will ask the user to enter a password. If they enter let me in, we display the message access granted. Anything else, just say access denied. How are we going to do that? Let's do a string variable called password, shall we? And equal that to input, brackets, quotes, and then we can say enter your password. So if password is equal to let me in, then we're going to print access granted. If we enter something else, so else statement, just type else, colon, enter, print, access denied. Let's have a look and see what happens. I type me in exactly as the condition is, hence why it prints out access granted. If I decide to type something else, access denied. So we know this program works, means this task is complete. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video. So remember to give it a like and subscribe and share. And I look forward to making another video for you soon enough. Bye for now.